In today's episode, I am going to do a shameless ripoff of How to Drink's shameless ripoff of Good Mythical Morning on making old fashions. And I had my camera woman pick out 6 random spirits throughout the studio, and we're going to see if we can make an old fashioned. Now, there are rules to this, and I'm going to kind of be lax on the rules that Greg used, and mine is going to be any one of my simple syrups, any bitters, and any citrus. The making of an old fashioned. Spirit, sugar if necessary, citrus, and bitters. So let's get to it. Give me the first. 3 olives, Fruit Loops. That's quite a face you're making over there. I mean, it tastes exactly like Fruit Loops. So probably it's sweet. I don't know. Okay, let's wing it. All right, I need glass and ice. All right, 2 ounces of the Loopy. It's Fruit Loops, so it has lemon, lime, maybe orange. Let's see how orange does. Actually, you know what? No, we're gonna do our bitters first. Let's go lime. Let's try the lime bitters. And for a sweetener, I don't think I'm gonna use a sweetener actually. So we're gonna do lime bitters. Let's do 2 dashes or 3 dashes of this. These things I hate, but I'm not making a whole new dasher just for this. Let's do an orange thing. Just press that. And lime was a good choice. The lime bitters was a good choice on here. Yeah, that's really all I'm getting is the lime and the orange. And just a little of the Fruit Loops. I think that might old fashioned. You want to try? If it tastes good in this cocktail. Because you have to meet those requirements. 2 ounce spirits, citrus, and bitters.
Not bad.
Right? Not bad. I think that old fashions. Give me the next one. Oof. This is going to be difficult. Kracken. Alright. Let me get the... What are we working with here? Oof, I forgot how bad these... Okay. 2 ounces of our spirit. 2 ounces of Kracken. Lime is going to be... This definitely needs some simple. This absolutely needs simple. So we're going to do a 1/4 ounce of the simple. Fat quarter. 1/4 ounce of simple. Oh, probably closer to a 1/2 ounce actually. And the bitters, I think I'm gonna go as a regular Angostura. Yeah, I think that's 3 dashes of that. I'm gonna stir that up. Just express a little bit of lemon over it. Or lime, it's okay. This does not old fashioned. Ugh. Spiced rum is really hard to work with. All I'm getting is just like a syrupy flavor, especially with it being a black rum. It's fine to like, it's fine if you're gonna mix Coke with it or put it in coffee. It's a strong flavor that really hides it. But the point of an old-fashioned is to really draw out the flavor of the spirit, and this base spirit does not have a great flavor, so I'm going to say no, it does not old-fashioned. Next drink. Hpnotiq. I remember drinking this when I was of legal drinking age. I don't remember what it tastes like, though. Curious as to why I even have this one, actually. Why do I have Hpnotiq? Okay. It's tropical. It's citrusy. There's a little bit of a sweetness to it, so I think we're just going to do... There's a little bit of a sweetness to it. I think we're going to do like a bar spoon of the pineapple simple syrup. Okay. So 2 ounces of our Hpnotiq. This is 17% ABV. So really not a strong drink, but its selling point is that it's pretty. So for this one, I think we're going to do grapefruit bitters. Yeah, I think we're going to run some grapefruit on. We're going to do just a light bar spoon of pineapple simple. It's a tropical flavor. So we want to keep that kind of tropical taste profile going with it. We want to pull that out. And I think orange for this one. Okay, express it, squeeze it, spin it. Hpnotiq does it old-fashioned. That's pretty good. The orange on the nose really helps it, because Hpnotiq is not a great base spirit, so I'm just trying to use other stuff to cover up. It's not bad, but pineapple was a good choice here, and grapefruit was a good choice. It's all citrusy. It's a vitamin C train. Not a lot of alcohol in it, but yeah, I'd say Hpnotiq Old Fashions. You try it. There's a little bit, it evolves into a little bit of a bitterness at the end of it. It's probably the grapefruit.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. Good job, Dave.
Hpnotiq Old Fashions. Oh my God. Okay, it'll melt in. That's fine. Next drink. Ooh. JaMBeans Fire Cinnamon. Now, this one's pretty straightforward. It's not going to need any simple, but it's going to need cocoa bitters. Oh, wait. You got to go in there, buddy. Come on. Come on. All right, 2 ounces of our JaMBeans Fire. And I told her, I should have said this in the intro, no bourbons, no ryes. I think she just skirted it technically, but oh wow, that like filled it up. Okay, so we're gonna have to be careful. That's a pungent smell. Okay. Cocoa bitters. I think this is gonna be the right move for this. Yeah, cinnamon chocolate works together, doesn't it? Get that all in there. Are we gonna need simple? Definitely. Let's give that a stir to kind of mix those two things. And having the ice not only chills the drink, it dilutes it a little bit. It brings the, as Missin would say, burniness down. Orange chocolate, yeah. I'm trying to find compatible flavor types here. Shitty orange, whatever. It'll work. All right. JaMBeans Fire. I did the best. Oh man, that's not good. That's really not good. Like, this is their attempt at Fireball. And they didn't do a good job. Maybe Cocoa Bitters wasn't the right move. But I think it was the best move I could have. Let's just try a couple dashes of Indigo, see if that does anything. No, that's just bad. It does not old fashioned. Next drink. Black House. Blackberry Schnapps Liqueur. I thought this was a cherry. Super fruity. A medium sweetness to it. Okay. Nice. 2 ounces of our Black House. And by the way, if anybody's wondering what we do with these after we make them, if they're good, with drink them. If they're not, they get dumped. It's that simple. So we got Black House, Blackberry. What do I want to have competing with the Blackberry? Cherry. Show some cherry bitters. So cherry lemon, cherry lime. Kind of balance out the sweet. I'm going to do 1 bar spoon of simple. I feel like while it is already a decently sweet drink, a little bit more might help in there. Let's just give that a stir. Lemon has been woefully underrepresented in this video so far. Lemon it is. Lemon. Express. In the comic book glass. Let's take a sip. Wow! That's really good. That's easily the best one so far. The cherry and the blackberry play perfectly off of each other with just that little sharp nick of the lemon right on the nose and on the back of the palate. It is not too sweet. This is the best one so far. This old fashions. Well, yeah, give me that. You're not keeping all of them. Selfish. It old fashions. Next, mean. Oh, nice. Empress Gin. I have a good feeling about this one. It's definitely going to be lime. Gin, botanical, mint, celery, cardamom. This has a lot of potential, so I want to make sure I get it right. Mint? Mint and gin. Hold on. Yeah, okay, we'll do it that way. So 2 ounces of our Empress that I am running woefully and dangerously low on. I have been on a pretty big Empress, or just gin in general, kick lately. I'm not sure why. I think mint's going to be the way to go on this one. So, oh, that's making an interesting color too. Do I want simple in this? I'm going to free pour a little, just a little bit of simple. Like, I'm probably going to do 1/8 of an ounce. Just the littlest bit of simple syrup. And I think lime is the way to go, especially with gin. Damn it. I dropped my lime piece. Fucking drunkle. Oh, well, let's give it a little stir. I forgot. It's quite the color. Oh, hell yeah. That old-fashioned's like a mother effort. That's good. That's really good. The mint plays such an integral... I never would have thought this would have worked. The mint goes so well with the juniper aroma as you go in for it. And then this is hard to describe. It's reminiscent of a candy cane made out of gin. I don't know how else to describe it. This is fantastic. I don't get the lime in this at all. The lime is hidden by everything. But yeah, Empress Old Fashions. That's a really unique...
It's not bad. I don't like gin, but it's not
yeah,
bad.
that's a really unique flavor. It's interesting, but in a good way. Like, the mint and the gin play off each other really, really well. Okay, guys, I hope you like this. If you want to see another one like this was a fun one to shoot, too. I like kind of exploring and kind of trying to figure out new stuff. Maybe next time we'll just leave out bourbon and rye and open up the floor to more flavored whiskey, like the Crown Royal Peach, the Evan Williams Cherry. Maybe we'll do that night next time. But guys, let me know what you think. Please, by all means, leave a comment, leave a like, all that stuff. We are over the threshold, and we will be doing a live stream coming soon. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one.